Hello everybody, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you some things that I've been hauling recently. I don't know why I'm doing this. Anyway, yeah, there's a few things I have got recently. I'm going to start with a couple of things from Temu. So, first thing is this. Now this is a Coffin, like, makeup brush holder. So you just put all of your makeup brushes in here, and it's cute, and it's Coffin. I think this was like £10 something. Temu sent me a couple of things again, and this was one of them, and I absolutely love it. Like, how can you dislike this? And if I can get like most of my brushes in this, that will be very handy, because I've just got them like in coffee mugs at the minute. So yeah, this cute little Coffin shaped holder. So I got that. Then I got this, which I haven't really opened yet. This is like a blind figure, because I saw them and I was like, they're so cute. So I thought I'm gonna get one. I don't know which one I got. I expected it to come in a blind bag, but it's just come in this. So I don't know. But ooh, this little Leo, I think they're star signs. So this is Leo. I'm not a Leo, but they're still cute. And yeah, they come in this. Okay, so the actual bag itself is still sealed, so I still get to open that myself. So, this is so cute. Oh my word. Ooh. They are so beautiful. Look at how nice that is. That is so beautiful. And it comes with a little stand. Little, like, star stand. But how incredible is that? That is so cute. That paintwork is just absolutely stunning. Beautiful. My friend Leo, I love him. That's so cute. And another thing I got from Temu, let me show you this. This is something that I've kind of been wanting for absolutely ages. This is a 100 envelope saving challenge, and this is like super holographic. This is so beautiful. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was about £6-ish. But it's this beautiful holographic design, and inside you get a little pen, and then you get these, which are literally 100 envelopes where you can fit in cash. So I've had this for about a week, and I've just been putting cash in here that I've just got out of the bank, because I feel like you take it out of the bank and it sits in your purse and then you forget to use it, and then I can put it in here and there's 100 envelopes. So by the time I get this full, if I do it all £10 notes, that's £1,000. So I think that's such a good idea, because I'm like somebody who needs to save. Not that I've not got like savings in bank accounts and stuff, but to like have spare money. Something like this is so handy, because I like to see that I'm saving, if that makes sense. And I think that this is just perfect for it. And then you also get these stickers as well. Some of these are in like dollars and stuff, so they don't really apply to me. But yeah, I just thought that this was such a good idea, and it's something that I'm hoping I'm gonna keep up with. I might like do a follow-up video like when I get further on in this, but yeah. I got, oh, where's that gone? I was using it. The Charlotte Tilbury, what is this called? Pillow Talk Multi Glow in Romance Light. And I didn't know that these did this. I had no idea that they had moving glitter, because I just sit here all day just staring at this. So pretty. Anyway, the actual product is broken. Yeah, I received it broken. They sent me a replacement, but I haven't got it out yet because I've been kind of piecing this together. But those colours are just so stunning. I'm going to keep using this one until, you know, I finish it up because it still works. It still does the job. It's just broken. Then I got this from TK Maxx. This is a Kate Somerville Dermaquench Liquid Lift Plus Retinol. So both me and my mum got one of these. It works so well on my mum. Like the first time she used it, like her skin looked insane. And I used it this morning and I can tell a difference on my skin. Like my skin doesn't look like my bags under my eyes like aren't really there, which is weird. Very weird. But yeah, might be that, might not be that, don't know. Another thing that I got is this that I'm wearing right now. Let me stand up and show it you. It is this. It is a Lando Norris baseball jersey thing. This is from Furious Motorsport and I love it. It's the new one that they've just brought out that's like based on his helmet. It's so pretty. Love it. Might wear it to Silverstone. Might. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. What else? Oh yeah, last thing. I got these from QVC today. This was like today's special value a few days ago. And I swear by this, and I haven't had any for so long. It is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair ampule thing. This, before you go to bed, is stunning. Like, it really makes a difference to your skin. And in this set, you got the 75ml, the 30ml, and then you got the eye cream as well. And it was like, I think just this on its own, or just that on its own, was the price of the actual set. So, yeah, can't say no. Because, seriously, Advanced Night Repair, I have been using it for so many years, but I've not had it for quite a while, so I'm so glad to finally get it back into my collection and so I can use it again. And I've never tried the eye cream, so I'm hoping that that's just as good. So, yes. And then from work, I picked up this. This is the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. I hate the packaging of these things, but the smell of this is divine. It's sweet, it's floral, but it's just so beautiful. And yeah, staff discount, I got this for very, very cheap. So that is everything that I have to show you for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did like it. And yeah, I will see you all again very soon, hopefully in another video. So thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon. Adios.